So, hi, in this session, we'll be actually seeing about naming your cell ranges. So, let us go on into the topic. So, here we have a list of where a section of students, different sections, their names, their marks in each subject, and the total of them. We have it. So, why do you name the ranges? Is because it'll be easier for you when you're calling a separate module repeatedly. This naming the ranges will be much more helpful for you. So let us say how the first method is like a very simple method where you'll be just selecting all your cells. Let us say Tamil. Okay, so in this Tamil subject, I want all these, when I call all these numbers, it should refer to the name of Tamil. Okay, so I'm just selecting all these cells. What I'm going to do is here in the cell name box, what I'm going to do, just double click it here and I'm going to type Tamil. I'm going to type Tamil underscore marks. Okay, so I'm going to type it as Tamil underscore marks. So if you see, a name range would have been created. So this is actually the first mark. Uh, you may ask me like, how do you confirm this with it? So you can just confirm it. Let us say equal to. I want all the addition of Tamil marks. I'm going to just refer it. Tamil, or you can just verify it 1 minute. I think the name range has not been created. So once again, we are going to select it and I'm going to give only Tamil marks. Just give enter. Now the name range has been created. So you could see once you select it, you'll be able to see a range here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give equal to sum of, then I'm going to give type Tamil. So you could see already it has created like a range here. You just select tab and you could see it has selected. Just it'll give 975, the addition of all these marks. Similarly, you can even cross verify it here. Let us say I wanted all these marks in the name of Aju here, each person's name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give equal, sorry, not equal to, I'm just going to select all the 5 subjects marks and I'm going to double tap it here and just I'm going to type AJU Aju. Okay, just click enter. So you could see again, if it comes like this, it means it has been created. So Aju, it has been created. Now let us say I want to find the marks of Aju. So equal to sum of AJU. See, you could see you need not select each and every time for, you can just call the name range and you can leave it. Okay, so this is actually the first method. So how could you see whether the range is present is, you may have the doubt, like go to formulas tab and there you'll find something called as in define names, name manager. So just select name manager and you could see like what and all name ranges we have created. One is Tamil and another thing is Aju we have created. So you can either edit it or delete it and even you can create a new thing. Okay, so you could see it should be proper. There is like one more method or a shortcut key to select your name ranges. What you have to do is like you have to select Control Shift and F3. So remember it, Control Shift and F3. So before selecting it, you're going to just, I'm going to select for these two cells using that method. So just select it. And what I'm going to do is after selecting, I'm going to select Control Shift and F3. Sorry, Control Shift and F3. So you'll see create names from the selection. So names from where do you want? I from why need it from the top row. So I'm just going to give it as top row. If you're selecting like this, you can give it as left column. So for English and Hindi alone, I'm just giving. just give OK. Okay, now go to the name manager and see. You could see for English and Hindi, it has automatically created what your name ranges. It has created it. Now we can. There is another method is like using your create from selection. Okay, so how do you do that? Is just I'm going to select this cell. I'm just going to create from selection, which is this is actually very much more similar or same. It is a shortcut of Control Shift F3. That's why instead of selecting it, we can go for Control Shift F3 also. Just select OK. So your another name range called Max would have been created. And there is one more thing which is called as define a name. So what you have to do is you are going to just select define your name, and I'm just going to give science as my new name. Then it refers to which cell they are asking. So this refers to actually this entire data. Then the scope is going to be tasked whether you want in each and every workbook, or the entire workbook task or entire sheet you want. So depending, I'm just going to give for this entire workbook alone it needs. So just give OK. So if you could go again to the name manager and see, it would have created all the separate name ranges separately. Okay, this is how you create the name all the subjects alone with respect to their subject name. So for each and every subject, we have created a name range. Now the next question is using name range, give the average of each subject. Okay, so you have to find the average using each and every subject's name. So what we are going to do is you're going to type equal to average of Tamil is here the name range name. Then again you're going to give equal to average of, then here English. So just type English. So you could see in the below, just give enter. So English. So just give enter. Then again you're going to give equal to average of. So you're going to give for Hindi, just give enter. Then equal to again average of, which for max we have created for max. Then just give enter. Then equal to average of science. So SCINC science. Just give enter. So this is how you define, or when you have to use the particular values repeatedly, you can use them using your name ranges. Now let us say if you wanted to delete or delete a definite value, just go to the name manager. So let us say I want to remove this name range of Aju. Just select it and just go delete, and that's all. Okay, so this is how name range is much more useful to us. Okay, thank you.